This is the second part of this chapter number 13. Food is made in the kitchen. After cooking, the kitchen should be cleaned. Wash the dishes and countertops every day. Now we all cook the food in the kitchen, you know. So after cooking, what we should do? After cooking, the kitchen should be cleaned. Okay. And all the dishes, all the utensils, dishes should be washed properly, and even the countertop should be cleaned every day. In this way you can keep your kitchen clean and tidy. All waste must be dropped in a dustbin, and all the waste things should be dropped, should be thrown in the dustbin. Everyone likes to use a clean bathroom and toilet. Definitely everyone likes to use a very clean bathroom, and the toilet should be very clean and tidy. So what we need to do? We need to flush the toilet after every use. So what you have to do? You have to flush the toilet after every use. Wash the bathroom and toilets every day. Every day the bathroom and toilet should be washed properly. Disinfectants should be used to keep off flies and germs. Disinfectants, you need to use disinfectant to keep off the flies and germs from the bathroom. The waste in the dustbin should be disposed of daily, and even you have to dispose of all the waste from the dustbin every day. In this way you can keep your kitchen, house, and even the toilets very clean and tidy. Okay. Think about it. Look at this garbage bin. Why is it bad to have an open bin? Now see this bin. So many flies are there, no? So why it is bad to have an open bin? It is bad to have an open bin because all the flies and germs will accumulate there and they will spread disease. So that is why it is good to use a closed dustbin. It is good to use closed dustbin. Okay.